What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming at you guys with a brand new video. I don't know why it looks like that. I'm making the video in the car only because I'm getting ready to go to the gym. Literally have my pre-workout right here. But I kind of want to give you guys an update on the Type R because I feel like I haven't done that yet. And this has been an ongoing problem for the car. The Type R is not running 100%. If you guys remember, I think it was back in May when we got the Type R rebuilt. We had to shave a lot of the head off. I think I've kind of mentioned in the video. If I have the clip, I'll throw it up on here. But basically, we had to shave a lot of the head because it was warped. So we had to pretty much just straighten it all out. And with us doing that, cut a huge chunk of it off. Now, when I say the car isn't running 100%, I fully mean that I can't run E40, E50 like the car should. I have been thinking about it a little bit. I've been talking to a lot of people trying to figure out what it could be. And some people have a couple different leads of what it could be as well. When we cut the head, we are running it a little bit hotter, which means higher compression, which means I might need a retune. So the car might have to get retuned. Someone was also saying I might need colder spark plugs since the car is running hotter. Right now, it's just I can't run E85. I am a little bit, but it kind of starts to sputter a little bit. Basically, when I'm wide open throttle, the car kind of sputters out a little bit as if I did break the head gasket again. But I know that isn't the issue because on 91 it does completely fine. I haven't been pushing the car as much as I would like to. I just been kind of dailying the car a little bit, trying to figure out what was going on. And after talking to a lot of people, we finally figured it out. I'm hopefully gonna get this thing retuned. It does kind of suck that I have to go through this again, but that's what happens when you want to build your car. We're gonna go ahead and try to get this thing retuned pretty soon. Maybe even different spark plugs. I don't know, we'll kind of figure it out, but it's not running 100% the way I would like it to, so I haven't really been able to reach its full potential. I just been kind of dialing it back a little bit. Plus, I've been trying to save up for a new car. If you guys don't know, I'm trying to get the GR86. I've been talking about on Instagram pretty much like every other day. I want to get the new GR, so I haven't really been putting too much attention on the Type R. That kind of makes any sense, but I guess I can give you guys a little update of what's going on because I feel like I haven't talked about it enough. So if you guys saw, I did make the video of us getting rid of the hood, which is no longer with us. I got rid of the hood. I still have the TEs on the car, but I also don't have the tail lights. Tail lights are sold. Got rid of those. Pretty much everything else is still on the car. I just got rid of the tail lights and the hood, only because I wanted to make it more of a cleaner look. Plus, with the OEM hood, it kind of feels a little bit lighter than Saibon. I don't know if that's true. I didn't get to weigh it out, but I feel like this thing looks a whole lot cleaner with the OEM hood. But this car is a beaut. Look at her. Oh, sheesh. Can't run 45. It's just something that the car is not agreeing with right now. So hopefully we can get to a tuner and have this thing retuned, and we can finally have this thing up and running 100%. Because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I do miss driving this car 100%, like wide open throttle and everything, and it's a lot of fun. You know, obviously you guys know a Type R was a dream car of mine, and I finally get to have one. So now we just pretty much gotta fix the kinks in it. Maybe once we get the retune, maybe we'll get like a bigger race. We'll get the race map for the intake. We'll get the turbo inlet, and who knows, maybe even a bigger turbo. I don't know yet. We'll figure that out. But yeah, like I said, I just pretty much been dailying the car. I mean, it still looks exactly the same from when you guys probably last seen it, other than the tail lights, which in my opinion, the main reason why I got rid of the tail lights was because everyone rocks the Mugen tails, and I just wanted to go OEM. I might even clear these out. I know people are starting to do that as well, so I don't know, we'll kind of figure it out as we go. The car looks and sounds really good. I mean, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. There still is a couple things that I want to do to the car before we actually stop building it and get the new car. I think as of right now, we're gonna kind of keep it where it is, trying to save up for the new car. I have new merch coming on the way. Those are very fire. I can probably show a little sneak peek on you guys right now. That should be coming October 14th is when we're gonna be dropping that. So yeah, mark it on your calendars. October 14th is when we're gonna be dropping that. The car is gonna stay exactly how it is. Let me know what you guys want to see done to the car. I don't know if you guys missed the hood, if you guys like the OEM hood. Same thing with the tail lights, or if you guys like the Mugen tail lights. Not really sure, but I freaking love this thing, man. I do need to get new brakes. Let me know any brake recommendations. This car doesn't really get tracked. It's probably gonna get tracked once or twice in the lifetime of me owning it. So I'm not looking for anything too crazy. But if you guys have anything, any suggestions, let me know down in the comments down below, and I can definitely check them out. I want something that's not gonna dust up, because you guys know the OEMs are terrible and dust like crazy. So I'm not looking for anything too dusty. I want it to be as clean as possible. But yeah, sorry for not uploading as much as I would like to. I just been super busy with work and getting the new merch and everything going, to where I haven't really been able to make a lot of videos. So I do apologize for that, but don't worry, we're gonna be making a lot more bangers. There's gonna be a lot more people on the channel. So if you guys are ready, because the next 3 months for the rest of the year is gonna be crazy. We're gonna have a lot of fun with it. I don't think there's really any stopping this. This is it, boys and girls, if you're watching. We're gonna do this, and we're gonna have fun with it. So I'm back to making videos weekly. I hope you guys are ready for that because I miss making videos regularly. But I'm gonna go hit the gym. Gonna go get this pump. Your boy's trying to lose his gut ski. So if you guys are down to see a workout vlog, let me know because I'm down to make one. We have like mics and everything that we do for Instagram. So if you guys are not, follow me on Instagram. Make sure you go follow your boy down below. But anyways, I'm gonna end this video here. Hopefully we can get the Type R fixed in 100% because I do miss driving this car pretty hard. So I know this is a short video. I'm sorry. I promise I'll make it up to you guys. But don't worry, October, we're gonna be uploading a lot. I love you guys so much. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.